Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to remove filter from TikTok video. So firstly, what you have to do is just open your Play Store and tap in the search bar and type TikTok application. If you see the update button here, just simply tap on update. There is open button. So that's mean you are using the latest version of TikTok application. So once you actually update the TikTok, I am going to open the TikTok application. In order to remove a particular filter from my TikTok video, first of all, I am going to try and show you how to actually add an effect and actually remove that particular filter. So tap on the plus button right over here, and then in order to use an effect or a filter, we are going to tap on this effect button. Then choose a certain effect right over here. Let's say if I choose like this, and then I actually hold on it like this. So I record this video right over here and I want to actually remove the filter which I use on this video. What I can do is tap on this effect button again. As I tap on effects button, you can actually replace this effect with any other effect which you actually use, or else what you can do is simply tap on this none button over here and then just tap on come back. Then that video is actually going to remove from that particular filter or particular effect now. And that's how you can remove any particular filter or effect from TikTok video. So I hope this video helps you out. If it is, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.